Plastic pellets are the top business expense for all processors and converters. Losing valuable pellets to ineffective housekeeping measures is no different than throwing money down the drain. Hello, I'm Bill Carteau, President and CEO of SPI, the Plastics Industry Trade Association. The team at SPI developed Operation Clean Sweep, a step-by-step approach to assessing pellet loss strategies and determining whether upgrades in facilities and equipment are necessary. And we are now working with the American Chemistry Council to spread the word. Spilled pellets can end up in our waterways and the ocean. Whether they are handled in an Iowa plant or a seaside facility, pellets can be transported to storm drains that lead to rivers and then to the ocean, resulting in litter and posing a threat to marine life such as seabirds, turtles, and fish. When you take the pledge, you are ensuring that your employees and vendors handle resin responsibly, keeping pellets out of the natural environment, enhancing your reputation as a good steward of the environment, improving efficiency, and saving money. Operation Clean Sweep is free and easy to implement. Thousands of companies worldwide have already signed on to Operation Clean Sweep, but we need you to join us. Working together, we can achieve zero pellet loss to protect our business and our marine environment.
Take the pledge!
So visit our website and take the pledge today.